Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to KND Creations. I hope you're all doing well. So it is unboxing Resin Molds Express, a fun and affordable way to unleash your resin creations. The Secret Garden Awakening. This is their March box. March box is your golden key to a hidden world. All right, let's get into it. I haven't opened it yet, so let's do this. Okay. So we have our description page, and first thing I see is a mechanical hummingbird wall, which is my favorite bird. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take everything out of the package so you don't hear all that crinkly, and we'll go through it one by one. BRB. Okay, so the first one is the mechanical hummingbird wall art. It's my favorite bird. So this holds 3.75 ounces, so 4 ounces. I would normally carry it up to. So steampunk style, rainbow wings, chameleon magic. So these are the different things you can do with this. So our number 2 is, okay, so mold number 2 is a playful panda propagation station. So here is the panda, and you get 2 clear tubes to go with it. So it will look like this with the panda on the little cylinder cup there, and then you put a flower if you want to put something real in it or something fake in it. And yeah, so that's it. And this holds 3.1. So that's number 2. Number 3 is a Wise Ancient Sea Turtle Secret Box. I've never done a turtle. I actually have been wanting to do this, but I don't have turtle mold. I don't have a turtle mold because I don't do animals, right? So I didn't. So I'm glad that I actually got this, and I'm gonna look forward to doing this. I don't know if this is a shaker. It doesn't say. This holds 7.1. I'm gonna open it. Yes, this is a shaker mold because here is the top. Wow, I've been seeing this mold, so it's gonna be interesting. Let me see what I can do and how I can get this to work. Oh wow, okay. Exciting, exciting. Okay, I like this. Might do it. Let's see. Let's put this to the side. So it's a planter. And I saw I don't know, I don't remember the channel, but on the channel, so let me take this out. So this is what the mold looks like. So the channel that I saw, she did it on the hedgehog mold from last month's box. And what she did is turn it out. So instead of having this area will be open once you pour, she turned it upside down, inside out. I was trying to do that, but it wasn't staying. So not sure if I'll use this mold, because what would I use it for? It's way too small. I mean, the only thing you can put in it is succulents, like fake succulents, right? So not sure I'll do that, but I may try it on the hedgehog mold because I liked how that one turned out. So number 5 is farmhouse woven texture treasure basket, which is this. So is there another piece to it? No, there isn't. So this is it. And I guess it just turns out where you can put your eggs in, right? These are the holders. So I'm not sure, guys. Yeah, I guess you would pour it here, I'm assuming. Yeah. Yeah, Easter egg display functional kitchen jar. sun-kissed straws. Not sure about this one, but that's what this is, and this holds 11.5 ounces, so quite a bit of resin. The next one is a transforming forest sprout mushroom set, which is this here. So you have the base, which you can use either when you make the mushrooms, you can put it on top and then you can set something in it, or you can put it at the bottom. You can probably make this tray on its own and use it on its own. Really, it's got a little bit of texture there. And then the mushroom, this is not really a mushroom. I guess it's called a mushroom because when you if you put it like this, then it kind of resembles a mushroom. Yeah. Or you can use it the other way and put a succulent plant in the base here. So that's that. And the bonus is home and spring birdhouse hanging plaques. So it would be these two, and together they hold 2.9 ounces, so 3 ounces. So one says home and the other one says spring. Okay, and you do, I'm pretty sure I got some hardware. Yep, I got some rope. Got some rope with it. And she always sends some bonus, so we got some extra confetti. Perfect, just in time for Easter. Okay, so I'm not sure which one I will do. Let me think about it and bring you back. And she also gave us some silver stars. I forgot to mention that. It was off to the side. All right, BRB. Okay, guys, so I've decided which one I'm going to make, and I'm going to make the bird. Let me just get the paper. I'm going to make two. So I'm going to make Spring and Home birdhouse hanging plaque. I'm going to do one in this yellow green, and this is glow in the dark. And I'm going to do one in this blue, and this is also glow in the dark. And for the turtle, I'm going to go traditional. This is my first turtle. I'm going to go traditional. I'm going to go green for the turtle. But I think I'm also going to put some of this glow in the dark in it as well. And then I'll see, I might just make the lid clear. And for the inclusions, I'm going to use some of what she gave us. And I have some other stuff there that I'm going to put in that I will find and show you. So for the turtle, I think they mixed up the amounts. They have the big one holding 2.7 and the lid holding 4.4, which obviously is reverse. So in total, this holds 7.1 ounces. And these are very small. These hold 2.9. So I'm going to mix up three. I'm going to do them separately. I am not going to mix up all this resin at once because I don't want it to flash cure on me. So I'm going to do this first, then I'm going to do this. I'm going to mix up three for this, and I'm going to mix up 7 for this. I might have some left over from this, which I will just pour in here. Oh, these are the eyes. Okay. Okay, so let me mix up some resin and come back. Okay, guys, so the resin is mixed up. I'm going to add the color now, and I may run this through the debubbler. I'm going to actually, why am I even measuring? I'm going to add quite a bit. So I mixed up, I think I mixed up more than what I need. I think I ended up mixing up 4. But I have them all off to the side that I'll just add in any extras. So I'm going to mix this, and I'll bring you back. So this is pretty transparent. I'm going to add some of this acrylic daffodil yellow in, and I'm going to add some of this tropical blue to the blue. Just, I'm not going to do too much. Yes, yes, just to make it a little more yellow. And I probably added too much actually, but at least, yeah, I like this. Well, I don't have a choice but to like it. I can't take it out now. I mean, I could put some white to lighten it, but no, I'm going to leave it. And then I'm going to run these through my, no, I didn't add any. And I didn't shake this up. Let me just see if I have a darker blue. Okay, so I'm going to use Peacock Blue instead. Let me see how this looks. Yeah, I think, yeah. Let's see. Oh, that really changes it, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to mix these up, get them in the debubbler, and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've mixed up the resin for the turtle, but I have these poured, so I'm just going to pour these. They've been sitting and debubbled in my debubbler. Just giving it a little stir. So, what did I say? Spring in yellow. Something in them all. And I'm going to do the house in blue. Alcohol. Use a little spray. Sorry, I turned off my little fan I have here. There we go. Okay, so spring and yellow. So here we go. And they have, I'm going to run a tool through here. So I'm just going to stop. Resin is so messy. Oh, I don't like it, but hey, this is what we do. I'm just looking for a tool with a point. And like I said, I'm probably going to have extra resin, but I have a mold off to the side. And the inscription is indented, so I'll probably just fill it with some white acrylic paint after. Let's get this off of there. I don't think it's... Let's finish. Do you want to spray some alcohol? Finish filling this, and then we'll do this one. Gosh, I pour so fast. It's like I'm allergic to pouring slow. And I might have a frame. No, I think I'm in frame. I just can't see it. So let me turn it this way. it's easy to move. Okay, so that I just used my Let's Resin mixer to mix the resin in. This is going to be for the turtle. So I said I'm going to put a bit of this in there. Put a decent amount. And I got these off of Temu, both of these. I really like this paste. Some scrape on the side. I think that's a little bit more. Let's mix this up, get it in the debubbler. Oh yeah, that's good. This mixes really well. So I'm going to mix this, get it in the debubbler, and I'll bring you guys back to pour. Okay, so we are going to pour. My resin is not entirely bubble free, so I don't know, because I saw it, especially the clear was actually bubbling up in the debubbler, and I don't want to take the chance of it flash curing. I've had that before where I saw it bubble up, didn't really know, and it actually flash cured on me. So I'm going to pour. I'm going to run my heat gun. I'm going to use the alcohol and hope it helps with the bubbles. So I'm going to do this one first because it's more resin. They each have about 4 ounces. So I'm going to stop. I'm actually going to pour it clear just to get rid of some of the resin in the cup. Alcohol, this has a lot of bubbles in it. I'm going to be disappointed. Just going to run my tool. I'm going to be disappointed. But and for the yellow and blue, I'm just going to put it in my little balloon dog. I'm going to have to find something else because I still have quite a bit of resin. But I wanted to get this in because it was, the cup was dancing. And it wasn't dancing, maybe dancing is not the right word. But it was sucking in. I'm going to run my heat gun. This one is pretty fill. Just going to fill this up. I might need more resin. So this, no, maybe their measurements is correct and my measurement is off. I'm going to have to mix up at least probably another ounce to fill this all the way. Wow, okay. So I apologize. Their measurements are correct. This does hold more than the base. All right, I'm going to finish scrape this. I'm going to fill up whatever extra molds, and then I will make up some more resin and top this off, and I will see you guys on the mold. Take care. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are demolding, This is a Resin Molds Box unboxing and making of some of the molds that we receive. I made 2 molds, and one was the Wise Ancient Sea Turtle Secret Box, which is this, and the other was the Home and Spring Birdhouse Hanging Plaques, which are these 2 over here. So let's start with the extras. So do my butterfly, add extra yellow and blue from the birdhouse. So, oh, more yellow, more blue, and on the back side. Sorry about that. So that's that. These always comes out beautifully. I love this little mole. I don't know where I got it from. Probably Temu. And my next little small go-to is the Bubble Dog. Y'all know the story about me and this dog, so we won't say anything else about it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get another one. It's had it a while, and I've been using it frequently. I'm just gonna put a bit of alcohol down in there just to help it, just to move it around. Just need to get it over the head or the nose, and then it should be a lot easier. It's amazing I haven't broken off the neck yet when I demold these, because it's kind of hard. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Pretty good. This one is domed well. A little bit sticky there, so I'll have to wipe that off. But, yep, sorry. Out of frame. Sorry. It's good. All right. So now the birdhouses. So I just decided it's spring. I'll do them in these colors. I don't know if these are pastel or not. I'm not good with the color stuff, guys, and what they are and stuff like that. But I just figure springtime we'll do yellow and blue. So let's just demold these. And then, oh, I still see. Okay. So one says home and one says spring. And this one says spring, I believe. And the blue one is home. Just push. Just help push them all through. Are they bendy? No, they're good. Okay, so here we go. Oh, these are nice. These are cute. And she did give us rope to hang them. So I will find somewhere in my house for these. Or, I don't know. These are good, actually. I might just sell them. And believe it or not, the resin had a lot of bubbles. Like, you can probably see some there. But on the face, came out pretty good. I do see some little micro bubbles, but you can barely see it. I mean, I am looking for them, but you can barely see it. So it came out good. I thought the words was indented and I would have to put some paint in there, but it's good. You can see it pronounced. These are cute. These are cute. I like these. All right. So turtle time. This is the first time I've made a turtle, guys. And I think this is a shaker turtle. So I don't know what happened here. The resin sunk in there. I don't know. Maybe this. I know my table probably is on level. So I will have to. Maybe that's why I did that. But here we go. And I just did the turtle. Oh, and these This, well, they all do, you'll see. I put glow powder in it, so they all glow in the dark. Even in the turtle, I put some glow powder too. Okay, let's get the lid. I'm excited to see how this came out. I'm also excited it has a sharp edge. I'm going to have to take my deburring tool and go around it. I'm excited to see if I can actually put the glue on to make it into a shaker. This has a lot of so this is the one with all the bubbles. Sorry, I'm confusing myself. I don't know. I had my I had the resin in my bubble remover for, I would say, 10 minutes, but it just, I don't know, just wasn't doing it. Maybe I should have warmed it up a bit, but I didn't. I poured it because I said, you know what, turtles are underwater, so even if his shell is has some micro bubbles in it, but other than that, it's cool. I like it. Oh my god. Okay, so I might take a I don't know. No, I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know. Let's look. Yeah. So, and this goes like this. Yes. So I'm gonna, she gave, sorry guys, I'm excited. She gave us some of these, and I have some other stuff, inclusions, that I am gonna put in. She gave us some stars, so I'm probably gonna put some of that, and I'm gonna look to see what else I have. And use my E6000. I have to, okay, so the glue has to go on here. I have to look at it and see. Last time I checked it, it had a hole. Let's see if I can use it, because then that would it would adhere. And this is fine. I don't see any bubbles. It's can I say flawless? Just a little sharp, not too bad. A little sharp, some. Oh, I like it. Oh, my little turtle. All right, so so there's this. Let me take off the light because you may not. I don't know if it's glowing the way I guess. Yeah, because this was blue, so it's gonna glow. And you saw the yellow. I don't know if you saw it. The yellow is gonna glow. It's in here as well. So this is okay. So we have to let it cool down without the light. So we'll come back. And the green. So this is it in regular light, and this is it in the dark. I don't know if it's, see, did it make a difference? I'm just going to see through the camera. A little bit. It's not fully dark in here. There's a little bit of light coming through the window. Okay. So light back on. Sorry about that. Yeah. So let me figure out what my inclusions are, and I'll bring you guys back. I don't think I'm going to do anything with these. There's not much I can do with these, at least in my little non-crafty brain. There isn't anything, I'm sure. As folks get their boxes, I will see lots of creative artists doing different things with this. But so I got one little hole right there, and I did go around this with my tool. I like these. I really like these. These are cute. All right, BRB. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put a bit of this. Oh crap! I wanted to get a dryer sheet, but I forgot. I'm not going back downstairs. So most of these things, with the exclusion of what you see in here, I got off of Temu. and I've had them quite a while, so I won't be able to link them. And I'm actually thinking to put some, I don't know, maybe I put a rhinestone in the four corners just to spruce it up, put a rhinestone to give the bird some eyes, maybe put a rhinestone down in a flower. So I might use some of these for there. I'm going to put a couple of these because these are glow in the dark. So, oh, did I even show you guys? I'm so sorry. So these are glow in the dark. Sorry if you didn't see it just now, because my hands, when I checked the camera, my hands were way back there. So forgive me. Okay guys, so we're back. This is actually the next day because I got caught up doing some stuff. So I'm going to use liquid fusion, put some there to seal this on. I have some in here, but something is stuck in the needle point, so I need to get a needle to push it through. So I'm gonna use it from the bottle. I'm gonna try not to put too much on. Ooh, see? I'm gonna try not to put too much on. And I'm staying closer to the outer edge because I don't want it inside, and then when I put the lid on, it squeezes and falls down. And I hope this, I hope it stays adhered to. Otherwise, well, I will get some E6000 if it does come off, and I will use that. I have to get some more because I have this big tube, but I don't know what happened. The bottom is cracked. I saw a crack here, so nothing is coming through, but there's glue in there. So I'm gonna have to figure it out. But I hope this stays. My first shaker, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so there's that. We're gonna set that aside. Leave that to dry. And, oh, come on. Oh, I'm gonna need, actually, BRB. So I have a little bit of this craft glue. I got this from my local dollar store, so I'm gonna use this because otherwise I have to change the needle tip there, so I'm able to use it. But the craft glue should work as well, and I think I want to put some of these along here. Just have to get my wax pen. Oh my gosh, usually I'm a little bit more let me put you guys on a pause. Okay, found my wax pencil. And this seems to be holding. Oops. This seems to be holding. I can pick it up. So. What do you guys think? I love it. Okay. Stop being a big kid, Kathy. I gotta clean out the hold of that. Let me get my pin. Oh, I'm unorganized today. I'm usually not this. Usually pretty organized. So, okay. So I'm not sure exactly. Maybe I'll just stick to here. I was thinking to put them there. Maybe I'll just put them there. Let me just. Okay, so I have to buy some E6000 because it came off. I was shaking it and the confetti was falling out. So I took it off. I cleaned it off. I'm gonna get some E6000 and do that. So I guess I'll finish this video tomorrow because by the time I order it and it comes, I'll finish it tomorrow. And I also added some of the roses in here as the shaker. I had to forget the first time around. Okay, so when I complete this, I'll bring you guys back and then I'll end the video there. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're ending off the video now. So I believe you saw these. These are completed. I did put rhinestones on it and you did see them. I just finished editing. I'm just adding to the end now. And the shaker is done. The shaker is done. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I know I sound like a big kid, eh? But the shaker is done. So what I ended up, I had to buy Gorilla 5-minute epoxy because the liquid fusion didn't work like I did explain it in the video. I shook it and the confetti was coming out. So the epoxy worked perfect. Oh God, I'm so happy for this. Don't know. Okay, so this is the final. Let me see. There's so many lights in here. Trying to see if I can turn off all the lights. Let's see if it's gonna glow. Are they glowing? They're glowing a bit. Oh yeah. I could see it. Not so. So the yellow is glowing. Is the blue? Yeah. So the yellow is really glowing, and so is the turtle, as you can see. Okay. All right. Enough of that. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you all for watching the video to the end. I know it's a little bit longer than my normal videos. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to any new subscribers I have. All my discount codes are in my description box. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.
Yeah. Candy Creation. Yeah. Late nights, grinding with my team in the zone. KND Creations, making moves on our own. Sketching dreams raw on the beat that slaps.